Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel, Cherish Cocoa. If today is your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell and give the video a thumbs up. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to mix instant oatmeal and Nestum together. I have here instant oatmeal, and you can see I have 200 grams. Okay, so I also have Nestum. If you don't have Nestum, you can also use golden milk. Okay, so I also have 50 grams extra here. So guys, I'll be showing you how to mix these two together. And for our oatmeal has a lot of health benefits. Half cup of dry oat is coming with 51 grams of carbs and 13 grams of protein, 8 grams of fiber, and only 300 calories from this instant oatmeal. That means oat is one of the most nutrient-dense food you can eat. And for our Nestum also has a lot of health benefits. It contains whole grain, it's low in fat, it has high in vitamin C, it has iron and calcium, vitamin B and D. So guys, if you have not tried this, just check it out. So I'll be mixing the two together and I'll show you how I mix this. So if you are making oats for your children or for your baby 6 months and above, all you need to do is just make it a powder form for them. Let me get my scissors. So guys, most time when I do this for my children, they don't like to eat the oats this way, so they prefer it being in a powder form, and I'm going to show you how to achieve that. Okay guys, so the next thing you're going to do is set the Nestum aside, because I'm not going to be blending the Nestum. It can get soft easily, so I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to be blending this dry oatmeal. So stay tuned guys. Gives you this. See, you don't have to make it so smooth, just a rough blend is okay. And this is the look of it. So I'll be repeating the process, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in my bowl. Repeat the process. Get the oatmeal, put it in your dry blender, close it and blend. So guys, I'm done blending the oats, and this is the result of it. I'll go ahead and mix the oat with my Nestum, and this is original. I prefer the original to the Madu, to the honey type. So I'll go ahead and add the Nestum to the oatmeal. So I go ahead and mix it together. You can use your spatula, you can use your stirring stick, you can use spoon, but I prefer using the hand with glove, so it will be more faster. So just go ahead and mix the two together. the oatmeal and the Nestum. Another way you can use your Nestum is by sprinkling it on your bread together with peanut butter. Have you tried this method before? Let me know from the comment section, guys. Can you see the mixture? Now I'll show you the method to make this oats and Nestum together. So this is all, guys. Just mix it down, put it in a container, and whenever you are ready to make it, dish it out to your bowl and make it. That's all you need to do. So I'm going to be transferring this in a container. I'll be using this. And you go ahead and seal it up. Here we go, guys. Show you how to make this Nestum and oats together. So look at the blended oats and Nestum. I'll be dishing it out to the plate. And set aside the blended oats. So I'll be adding some sugar, water is hot, so I'll just go ahead and thank you so much for watching this video, and this is how to make your Nestum and oatmeal together.
Thank you for this food. As how about your power, Jesus? Daddy, you are my body in Jesus' name. Amen.